Hey guys, so today we're going to be checking out some hacks, tips and tricks that TikTok has to offer to us. For the first one, we have someone with the vest. All she's doing is threading a chain through the vest to the back, inside. Okay, both sides on the inside. I feel you. I can see where this is going. Whoa! Look at how unique she made it. I like it. Okay, I see where this is going. Ooh, so she created a whole new thing. Okay. No. Are you kidding me? That looks amazing. Okay, I've seen this before, but I've never tried them. We need to try out these hacks. That looks nice. This is what we're actually supposed to be doing so that we can get like that whole snatched effect with your body. I don't know that they exist. Okay. This has been trending and I just never got my hands to trying it out. I'm just too scared to lift my lashes because I feel like once I go and do this, I feel like I'm not going to be able to remove that part and I'm going to take off all my lashes. Yet it looks so good. So I'm not sure if we should give it a try. What is going on here? Whoa! Even I love it. Okay. Okay. That's clever. That never works for me. Okay. I've seen this. I don't ever have that problem. I don't have this problem either. That's clever. Where has she been all my life? How smart is that? Yeah, that's what, when this hack came out, nobody knew about it. See how nice it looks. Look at the pants. Wow. That looks nice. I don't own one. Okay, we need to go and purchase one and try this. I like this. I'm going to be trying this. Whoa. That's like the most common one here that I've seen. This is what I need to know. Okay. Why does it look so difficult? That looks nice. So she didn't even button on the top, but she did the loop thing like, oh, I feel it. Okay. Who knew string would have came in so handy? They actually changed the whole look of the dress, so nobody will have the same thing as you. Okay, so I don't wear bikinis, but if you guys do, yeah. Cute. But I don't wear shorts. That looks nice. Whoa. That was really smart, really clever. No. Okay. How cute is that? Anyway guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed all these fashion hacks. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another amazing video. I'm out, guys.